Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this Aisha Buhari babe is a very smart babe. There's no question about that, and in the course of this video you will see exactly why I am saying that this babe Aisha Buhari is a very smart babe. So with that guys, I bring you this. Aisha Buhari finally speaks on president's second marriage. So that's the headline. Aisha Buhari finally speaks on president's second marriage. So now let's find out exactly what Aisha has to say. Nigeria's First Lady Aisha Buhari has finally parted lips on the rumored second marriage of President Muhammadu Buhari. Speaking on BBC Hausa on Sunday, the First Lady said that it was not her duty to confirm or deny the rumors. In her words, he, Buhari, is the person rumored to be planning a marriage, not Aisha Buhari. They, those concerned, are supposed to come out and clear the air. The First Lady denied a rumor that she left her husband because she did not agree with his plans to take a second wife. She called for urgent action against the menace of fake news. It will be recalled that last Thursday, President Buhari was rumored to get married to Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadiya Umar Farouk. So now that is the short and succinct response that Aisha Buhari has given to this rumored marriage between her husband and this Sadiya lady. So now what this lady is effectively saying, Aisha Buhari that is that, well, it is not really my concern, and it is now over to the people that are now spreading these rumors and this speculation and putting these ideas in my husband, that is her husband's mind, to then come out and debunk or prove this thing that they've put out in the social space. So this is now a coded position by Aisha Buhari. Of course, we all know that she's deeply engrossed in a battle with the cabal at the moment, and that spilled over with the leaked video clip that we all saw. So now we all know that she's been wired and peppered within that Aso Rock environment, surrounded by elements that do not really want her there because she's not towing their line. The Abakwaris and the Dauras, etc., they are really after her, and she knows that she's in a battle, and she's now signaling now with this response that this is really part of this ongoing conspiracy against her within the seat of power in Nigeria, with her being surrounded by enemies, effectively the Kwaris and the Dauras and the Cabals, etc., who just want her out of the way because she doesn't align with their mindset, which is of looting and Fulanization. So now conversations in the comment section. Aisha Buhari is a smart babe is what I am saying. What says you? But before you come share thoughts, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new vid. Then come tell me about this chess play that is going on within Aso Rock. What move do you think is the next move? For my money, Aisha Buhari has adopted the Sicilian defense, but with that hold firm. Come tell me all about it in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join me in the comment section. But here I say peace.